She so also. She so also. She so also.
Are you ready?
She so also. 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 She so also.
Are you ready?
She so also. She so also. She so also.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a special treat for you guys today because this wig is fire. Okay, this video is brought to you by OMGqueen.com. I'll be sure to link all their information down below, as well as a direct link to this wig. Everything that you will want to know about this unit will be listed in my description box, so be sure to check there. And I also have a coupon code for you that will save you 5% off of your order. So as you watch me style this unit, which was effortless to style, I'm going to tell you guys the perks about this wig. This is OMG Queen's Yaki straight with bangs glueless lace front wig. It comes pre-plucked supposedly, and there's 3 inches of parting space. The origin of the texture is virgin Brazilian Yaki texture. It's 20 inches long, 150% density. Now, I did wash this wig and deep condition it, and when I tell you I got a minimum amount of shedding, this wig so far, I have been wearing it for 2 days and it has barely shed on me. No tangling so far. Even though it's so long, I'm not getting any tangling. My fingers just glide through this hair like butter. So definitely a wig that can be worn on an everyday basis, especially if you get a shorter length. So let's talk about the supposedly pre-plucked hairline. I don't agree that this wig is pre-plucked, because as you can see right here, it needs some customizing. So the next day I went in and customized the hairline just a little bit more to my liking, and I feel like it came out really flawless. Let me tell you, this is my second human hair China bang wig. If you guys are familiar with my channel, then you guys know where the other one was from, and it was from another company, and that wig was over $400. This one is only $100 and something, and when I tell you, my whole life, y'all, my whole life just flashed before my eyes when I put this wig on. On some serious stuff though, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. You cannot tell me nothing. I feel so popping. I feel like sophisticated, and I also feel like that bad chick like you don't want to mess with. When I walk through the room, all heads are gonna turn. That is this wig. This wig is an everyday wig. It's a weekend wig. You can wear it to work, probably in a shorter length or up in a high bun, however you get down, because this wig is a very versatile wig. The thing that I really like about this unit is the texture is so gorgeous. It's a light Yaki texture, and when you wash it, you don't really even have to flat iron it. If you guys seen the beginning of this video, I hadn't did anything but washed and conditioned this hair, and the hair texture still remains straight. When I tell you the quality, OMG Queen, quality wigs, at least with my experience. If you have ordered from them, let us know down below in the comment section, but from my experience, quality wigs, and for the price, you definitely cannot beat it. Tell me I ain't popping right now. Tell me I ain't popping. Everything, I just love everything about this wig. The adjustable straps in this unit, they are doing better, because my first unit, I felt like the adjustable straps didn't really make the wig adhere to my hairline as good as I wanted to. But with the adjustable straps that came with this unit, not the adjustable straps, but the elastic band that came with this wig, you don't need to glue it down. I'm telling you, since I wanted to have this kind of pushed away from my face on the side, I did go in and got to be glued this side down. But you don't really have to on a day-to-day basis. If you adjust the elastic band, you're good to go. I'm in my feelings, y'all. This wig got me all the way in my feelings. Let me stand up so you guys can see how long this wig is falling on me. And it's 20 inches long. The density, I believe, is 130 or 150%, and I feel like it's perfect for this style. So here's all the hair to the front. It feels like 130% density in my opinion, but it's perfect for this style. So I'm going to go ahead and leave all of OMG Queen's information down below. Y'all know. Y'all can tell. When I'm hype, y'all know the wig is OhSo approved. Do I need to say it? Okay, I'm going to say it anyways. This wig is absolutely OhSo approved. Get you one. Like, save up your coins and treat yourself. Because this wig is definitely worth the price. I was going to go in and curl this wig, but I just think it's speaking to my soul the way I need it to, straight. So I'll provide all the information on this wig down below, and a direct link to OMG Queen, and a direct link to this wig. Boo, get your life. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.